My name's David Woodward. I'm a senior materials engineer at Tenneco. We do a lot of work with metal powders. One of the most recent projects that we were involved with was comparing standard powder suppliers with some local powder suppliers, because we have factories around the world that can save money by using local powder suppliers instead of the global ones. And for that, the CAMSIZER was incredibly useful, because we were able to check not only particle size, but also particle shape, and make educated guesses about how well they would press and how well they'd sinter. We've done that with principally copper and ferrous paint.